welcome back to my channel. So since Memorial Weekend is right around the corner, I figured I would do a what's in my beach bag video. Kind of like a what's in my bag video. Well, it is pretty much the same thing, but we're gonna do a beach bag version. So this is the bag that I always carry around with me. You've probably seen it like in pictures and on like vacations and stuff like that and in my videos. So it's a Ted Baker bag and it's like this really beautiful light pink color. And it has like this gorgeous rose goldy bronze bow on the front, and it's like a plastic kind of material, so it's really like durable but like perfect for like on the water or on the beach or anything like that. And then I love it because on the side it says all of these different like cities. It says like London, New York, Paris, Los Angeles, so it's super cute. And then on the side it says no ordinary designer bag. So and then inside it's just one big huge pocket, and then it has like a little zipper on the side. So let's just jump right into it, and I'm going to show you guys what's in my beach bag. And please be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you guys as a part of my channel. I make new YouTube videos every single week on like fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and things like that. So anyways, I'm gonna shut up and we're just gonna get started. So first I'm gonna start off up inside of this pocket. What I keep in here, I just have a pair of headphones for like listening to music, obviously when I'm laying out or anything like that. Then I have the Baby Lips SPF sunscreen. This is SPF 20, so my lips don't burn because I tend to do that. And then just to like get the big stuff out of the way, I like to keep a hoodie or like a light jacket if I'm on like the water or it gets like breezier, because I'm usually in my bathing suit obviously when I have my beach bag with me. So if it gets like windier, if I'm out like later in the evening or we're coming back from the boat, it usually gets really windy. So I like to just have like a zip up or like a light hoodie with me. So this is just from Lily Pulitzer. It's just one of their popovers, so I keep that in there. Next I have this towel. This is so cute. It's my favorite beach towel. I got this when I worked at Juicy Couture. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it, but it says, "Beach don't kill my vibe." It's so cute. I love it. So I bring that everywhere with me, and it's really big too. So when you're like laying out and everything, it's perfect. It's kind of like a blanket. Next, I have my sunglasses. These are just from Henry Bendel, and I love these. They're kind of like the saline ones. Are really dirty right now. And next I have this waterproof phone case. Your phone just goes inside of there and you can still text through it and everything. So if you're on the water or at the beach, you don't have to worry about getting water damage to your phone. So this is really good to have. I like to keep that in there at all times. I have some more chapstick. This is just the Burt's Bees one. I have a portable phone charger because you never know when your phone's gonna die, and usually on the beach or on the water or anything you don't really have plugs, so I like to keep this portable charge in there just in case I need to charge my phone and it's dying. I also have some Beach Defense SPF 70 Neutrogena sunscreen. This I usually like to put on my shoulders and on my chest because that's where I tend to burn. My boyfriend burns on his chest and his nose and face, so the higher percentage for the SPF, the better. And then I also have this Banana Boat Sport 30. This is just like the spray. This is just for everywhere else that we want to get a little bit darker but still protect our skin from the sun. I also have another, this is a Baby Lips. This is a tinted lip balm. This I don't believe has SPF 50 in it, but it's just, if I just like to have like a little bit of color on my lips and like no lipstick or anything like that at the beach, then I like to keep that in there. And I also have some Victoria's Secret Crush spray. This smells so good. I like to keep spray in my purse, my beach bag. Everywhere I go I need to have like some kind of spray. You never know. So keep that in there. Lastly, I have this really cute bottle opener. My mom got this from me. I'm not sure where this is from, but I also have a palm tree one, but just a little pineapple, and then it has the bottle opener right there. So I think that's so cute if you're like drinking beers in the boat, or you know, you need a bottle opener because it's summertime and everyone needs a bottle opener instead of bringing your keys or anything like that, where I usually keep my bottle opener. That comes in a lot more handy. Oh, and by the way, if you guys are wondering, this dress, it's really cute. It's like all colorful. It's just like a maxi dress. I got this from Lulu's, if you guys are wondering. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will also have these bags linked below for you guys if you want to check them out. They're super cute and they have them in a ton of colors on the Ted Baker website. So I'll link those down below for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.